Hello, somewhere in Kurland Fields. This old tractor I owned some time ago. Now I get some tripod for my camera and I make some attempts, make some movies around it. Shortly, this tractor has been sitting right here for around 10 years, as previous owners said. Let's take a look on it. Well, it's rusty. Some plants already grow on the glass. Inside in the cab, worse than nest. Worse. Hey. Well pumped. Okay. What else? Brake belts. Carburetor for pony engine, screws, junk. No. Okay, I make some cleanup around it and another actions I wanna make on the tape. Worst thing what we can see, the trucks is dead, already dead trucks, because the pin is worn out, this track pad is out of order. We already see the carriage or road wheel is on the half in the ground. Almost all wheels is the half on the ground. No. Let's take a look on the engine. No hornet nest, right? No. Okay, this is Soviet SMD 14A engine. What produces 75 horsepower at 1800 RPMs. I don't know what torque on this engine. This is a funny engine, and well, I not crank this. I want to crank up this, but not with this. Already take some stuff, some tools, some boxes, another boxes with stuff, oil, rags, some empty cans for making drying pants, and this is my customized pony engine what I use on starting up this sleeping lady. Okay. So it looks for now. Before I start this old engine, I want to change oil in it, and also I demount this. This is an old school oil filter. This oil filter have no filter element as usual, but it's reactive on the flow. Under this bell is another bell what is rotating while engine is working, and inside bell is rotating by engine oil pressure, etc. So in this way oil gets cleaned. But well, I'm not sure for this for future, but I use it now. Oh! Well, this is oil filter. Oh, well, I have maintained some pieces of this like this one before, but such one so clogged I never seen before. This is the element. Here is the nozzles, bushings, shaft, shell, bell, another bell. That's it. Few parts. Tā, 20 litri. Oh, beidzot. Pust līmenis būs ok. Done.